Thank you. Good afternoon, my name is Jeff. I'm with Sewer Tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 14657 Southeast Mountain Ridge Avenue here in Happy Valley, Oregon. We're located at the left side of the home. There's a 3-inch ABS cleanout. It's a point of access. I checked the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. We do have water running, and this is post-repair, so we're going to see how it all looks. Here we go. Here transitions to 4-inch PVC pipe at 58 feet. Everything's looking good so far. Okay, here at 86 feet from the point of access, we've reached the main lateral on Southeast Mountain Ridge Avenue. We've got excellent flow all the way out to the main, and both the ABS and PVC portions of the line are in great shape. The sewer line is functioning properly at this time. All the repair was done properly.